Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to review this architecture layout plan with you all. I am going to tell you what the layout condition was and what furniture layout we created keeping the interior aspect and functionality. So let's start. Now this is your main entry and this is your another entry. It's opening towards the lobby, entrance lobby, and this is your drawing area. You have your one study here, your mandir is here, this is your dining area, this is your bedroom 1, bedroom 2 and bedroom 3, and all the bedrooms they have their respective toilets, and this is one common wash basin area and this is one bathing area. Your kitchen is here. So this was the architectural layout plan that we got from the client. Now let's see what is not working as per interior. While discussing their requirements, the client told me that they wanted to have 4 bedrooms, one very good kitchen, one proper drawing area, one dining area and 4 washrooms, 3 attached and 1 common. Now let's see what is not working in this layout. You have your entry here. Now this is one negative space which is going towards kitchen and this is your bedroom. This is one negative space which is going towards daughter room. Your door here is not working. Actually, in order to make this room functional, you have to keep this door closed all the time. Otherwise, your door is going to be opened here and it is not going to give a good sight. Second entry is here and it is opening in a very good huge hall. Now providing an entry foyer is a wonderful thing, but compromising one room for that is not a good idea. So I thought to squeeze this area and increase one bedroom, because this is one study, this is not very functional bedroom. So I wanted to give them one extra bedroom as per the client requirement. Another thing that I didn't find working was this area. See, this is such a waste of space. Now this area is missing powder room. The person will use this washroom, which is actually a master bedroom washroom. So I would rather like to give them a separate powder room than giving a space like this. Also for the kitchen, this is not a very good kitchen. The son's room was not having any ventilation. We thought to add a ventilation, and because this was the top floor of the building, we could easily create it by cutting a shaft over here. Now let's see how we designed the space. While planning, our biggest challenge was we could not change the column location. See, these were fixed. They started from the ground level and this was the top level. So we could not change the column layout. I started with removing the negative spaces. Now because I cannot cut down the shaft, I extended the wall like this. Now my door was opening from here. This was my door for this room, and for the daughter's room what we did, we shifted a door from here. Now by doing this, I could create one door here and my bed was like this. So I placed my sofa like this. Now I took 2 feet from the room and created one powder room here and gave them a toilet, a common toilet like this, and this was the dressing area, and this was another set of storage here for the master bedroom. So our washroom was like this. Also in this area what we did, we actually took this area and made it into our drawing room. Like this was our drawing room, this was the puja, we cannot do anything about the shaft, and we made another room here, and this was another room. And now let's see what we created in the layout plan. So this was the first option that we created. Now your main entry is here and here. Your son's room is here with its ventilation right here. Your guest bedroom, this was the 4th room that we created. Its wardrobe, actually we created one straight line like this, so we could easily accommodate one wardrobe here. This was our door for the daughter's room and this was our door for the master bedroom. So now we can easily have a common storage here. Also in this area we created a powder room, a toilet for the master bedroom and a dressing area for the master bedroom, and this was their another storage. This was our drawing area plus bar, and this was our puja. Here we created our kitchen with a hidden utility. So in this case what we did, our bedrooms were here, here, here and here. All 4 bedrooms were accommodated in the zone, and our bar plus drawing dining area was kept like this. So it was a good layout, keeping their formal area connected from outside and from inside. The client really liked the layout, but they wanted to incorporate one breakfast counter if it was possible. They wanted to have their bar from here to here and puja here. So this was the final layout that we created. Your main entry is here and here. This is opening in the formal seating area. So this is your bar which is extended towards the terrace, which is a nice place to hang out. Now this was our conversational area. We created one storage here too for book racks. Now we created one breakfast counter like this with 2 seating and your crockery here so that you can have a proper alignment. and sliding door at the back for the drawing area, so that there is very lesser air leakage here. Now this is your good side kitchen with refrigerator, tall unit, pantry unit. Everything is accommodated here with proper ventilation for the kitchen, and your utility is hidden over here. Your bedroom door is here, and you have your 2-seater sofa here. Your bed is like this, and your 5 feet TV wall here. This is your entries towards the daughter's room. This is your guest bedroom with their wardrobe here, and this was the room with the TV plus bed. This was the son's room. This was the toilet, and this was TV plus wardrobe, and we actually added another wardrobe here. So this was the final layout. In this you see a clean wall and a powder area, which was actually must needed, and a good size kitchen. Every room they have their designated wardrobe and toilet, and this drawing room is also connected from outside and inside, which is actually a very functional thing. Let me know in the comment section how you found the layout. Also subscribe to our channel because we keep sharing these practical informative videos on a regular basis. Thank you so much for watching, and you'll see our next video soon.